Are your Instagram notifications not showing up on your iPhone lock screen? In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram notifications not appearing on the lock screen. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Check iPhone notification settings. First, open up the Settings app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Notifications. Now tap Show Previews. Make sure to choose Always Here. Then go back. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Instagram. Now enable the Allow Notifications. Next, make sure to enable the Lock Screen Notification Center and Banners Alert. Now restart your iPhone and see whether it is solved or not. Solution 2. Check Instagram notification settings. Open up the Instagram app. After that, tap on your profile picture below. Next, tap on the 3-line icon from the top right corner. Now scroll down a little bit. Tap Notifications. Make sure the notifications you want, likes, comments, reels, messages are turned on. For example, tap on Post Stories and Comments. Here, make sure to select From Everyone for likes. Then select On for like milestones. And select From Profiles I Follow for likes and comments on photos of you. Solution 3. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Then, select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Now go back. Scroll down. Find the Instagram app. Make sure to toggle it on. If it is disabled, you won't get any notification from Instagram. Solution 4. Update iPhone iOS. Open Settings. Tap General. Then tap Software Update. If you see Software Update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. And that's it. That is how you can solve the Instagram notification not showing issues on your iPhone lock screen. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.